Hi guys, it's Nunu and I'm here with you in the Frequently Asked Questions FAQ assignment. Okay, let's survey this assignment and find out what it's all about. Scrolling down, we see the video we're listening to now about this assignment is right here. We have a link with the timeline for this assignment, due dates, and we have the assignment purpose. Before we click on these links, let's go ahead and read these directions and let me make them bigger for us so we can see them. Okay, directions. Answer frequently asked questions FAQ 1 through 9 below. Okay, so these are the questions 1 through 9. We see them all here. All right, let's go back to the directions. Use this Q&A information to help you answer the questions. So this Q&A information is a link. I'm going to click on it, and I come up with Q&A information that I can scroll through and read to answer the questions. Okay, let me click on the back arrow, which will take me back into the directions. Our last direction, number your responses 1 through 9 and post them in this assignment. Okay, so we're going to answer these 9 questions. Let's click on the timeline. So our FAQ, Frequently Asked Questions timeline. Submit your answers to the 9 questions by 11:59 p.m. on Sunday. If you cannot meet this timeline, come over here to inbox and send me an email. Let me know what's up, and I'll do my best to help you. Okay? I'm going to click on the back arrow, go back into the assignment, and I'm going to click on the assignment purpose. Okay, the FAQ, Frequently Asked Questions assignment purpose. The purpose of this assignment is to provide an orientation to this class, how it's organized, what to read by what date, and how the teaching grading process is conducted. All right, I'm going to go ahead and click back into the assignment, and I'm going to tell you I'm here in inbox. I'm very active in this classroom. If you have any questions or concerns, email me here. Never apologize for emailing me, and you're never emailing me too much. If something is not clear to you, I want to know, and I want to explain the directions to you so you can follow them clearly. All right, let's get started.